It's game time this Monday as the Philchi Athletic Association finals tip off, with Hope Christian School and Xavier School set to clash in the 30s and 50s division. Now in its second season, coaches and league officials met ahead of the finals as both teams geared up for a high-stakes tournament showdown.
We're very happy kasi we're also passionate in running the league. So, passionate plus passionate equals perfection. So, hopefully we can perfect this tournament. But, you know, there are ups and downs, but eventually we come up running.
Coming off the elimination, Xavier's mentor Fritz D banks on community support to power their finals run.
I guess bringing our community together in the Philoil Arena, hopefully that will be the X factor because in reality the Xavier community builds our players. So that was very evident during the finals in the 40s to 45. Even though we didn't capture the trophy, our hearts were full seeing almost half of the arena filled with kids of different ages, and then our older alumni supporting our school, of course.
Meanwhile, Hope coach Steven Santan points to team chemistry and experience as their edge heading into the series.
We have practice every Saturday na hindi rin kami nakakamo. So siguro familiarity lang. Siguro yung advantage namin is familiarity ng mga players. Matagal na sila magkakasama. Siguro yung series namin, basta play hard lang kami. Go hard lang kami. Yun lang kami.
And for the players, it's all about giving their 100% on the court.
What to expect siguro, especially for Xavier, we'll go all out. Ever since when we were kids, we were taught to play 100% for our school. So, and I'm pretty sure for Hope, it's still the same also. Siguro hindi lang mas mabilis yung takbo, hindi mas mataas yung talon, pero andun pa rin yung level of basketball that people would want to watch.
Also, with summer heat in full swing, organizers stepped up safety measures with strict health checks and medical staff on standby.
Actually, we have our doctor on duty na may mga assistant siya na kumukuha ng BP before 1 hour before the game. Dapat make sure na ang BP nila is 140/90. Pag hindi ka nagpa-BP, we're technically tapos labas siya ng court. Kasi may rules kami na everybody has to pass the BP before play.